Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to use SubMagic. So let's dive right into it. To begin, visit the SubMagic website and create your account. The link is in the description. Then click on the Create button. Next, click on the Upload box and select the desired video from your computer. Select the video and click on Open. Now, once the video is uploaded, click on the Language drop-down and choose the desired video language. After that, click on the Transcribe button. This process may take a short time to process the whole video. Now, once the processing is complete, on the left side, you will find the Themes section, where you can explore many caption styles. To apply any caption style, simply select any theme, and this will automatically generate captions for your video.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We don't stop exploring because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exploring.
If you want to edit the styles of the captions, simply click on the Edit Theme button. Here, you can customize the caption style. Moreover, you can also add B-rolls for your video. To add B-rolls, click on the B-roll option from the tools. Choose the desired word in the video on which you wish to add B-roll. Next, click on the Search B-roll. SubMagic will automatically suggest many videos according to the desired word. Alternatively, you can search for the video by typing in the search bar. Once you've found the desired video, click on it to add, then click on the Apply button. Scroll down, and here you can select the transition between video and B-roll. Finally, to export the video, simply click on the Export button at the top. Note, if you're using the free version of SubMagic, this will export the watermark on the video. So to remove the watermark, you will need to subscribe to the premium plan of SubMagic. Once SubMagic renders the video, simply click on the Download button to download it. Now let's look at the preview.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We don't stop exploring because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exploring.
And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.